With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question given here is the hardness of water sample containing 10 to the power minus 3 molar MgSO4 expressed as CaCO3 equivalents in ppm is dash. Molar mass of MgSO4 is 120.37 gram per mole. So we have to basically find the hardness of water of the sample in ppm, and we are given the molarity of MgSO4, that is 10 to the power minus 3 molar, and we have to express in the CaCO3 equivalents. Now, if we assume the volume of water that is per liter, which is 1000 ml per liter, of water. So this has, like in this case, we will assume the volume that is per liter is 1000 ml. So there is molarity given, that is 10 to the power minus 3. So number of moles is given of MgSO4 are present. So this is the number of moles given. Now we can calculate the weight of MgSO4 in 1 liter. So that will be, so we are given here the molar mass, and we know that number of moles is equal to given weight upon the molar mass, and we have number of moles, that is 3, and we have molar mass given, which is this value. So we can put it here and we can calculate the weight, that is 120.37 grams per mole into 10 to the power minus 3. So weight of MgSO4 comes out to be 0.120 grams MgSO4. Now we have to express this term into CaCO3 equivalents. So like MgSO4 we have to convert in CaCO3. Now we know we have calculated the, we have given the molar mass here. So the molar mass of MgSO4 is 120.37 grams, and the molar mass of CaCO3 can calculate 40 for calcium, plus carbon is 12, plus oxygen is 3 into 16, which is 100. So 100 grams, right? Now we have the weight of MgSO4 in 1 liter. So if the weight is 120 grams of MgSO4, so we'll apply the unitary method and we'll calculate the grams of CaCO3, that is 120 upon 100 upon 120.37 into 0.120. This comes out to be 10 to the power minus 1 grams, or 0.1 gram of calcium carbonate. Now we have to we have to find the hardness of water sample. So hardness has a formula, which is hardness is equals to weight of calcium carbonate. Now as we have, it is asked that we have to express it in the CaCO3 equivalents and also in ppm. So this is the formula, weight of CaCO3 upon weight of water into 10 to the power 6 ppm, that is parts per million. Now we have the volume of water taken, that is 1000 ml, and we know the density of water is 1 gram per milliliter. So we have the volume here. So we know the density is equals to mass upon volume. So we can calculate the mass. So mass comes out to be 1 into 1000, which is 1000 grams. Now we will put the value here, or we have to keep this in mind that the weight of water should be taken. So weight of CaCO3 we have calculated as 0.1 upon 1000 grams into 10 to the power 6. which comes out to be 10 to the power 2 ppm, or you can write it as 100 ppm. So this is the required answer, 100 ppm.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.